Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio so you can control every setting. Once signed in, open channel settings and confirm eligibility, verification, and no active strikes, because that affects features. While there, upload your thumbnail and video file, use 1080p for quality, and keep titles concise. Make sure to have your description and tags ready, they speed the process. If you hit permissions issues, check Google account access before proceeding to edits. Now you edit the video details. Change the title to include keywords and a clear promise, then write a description that explains value and links resources, because algorithm relevance matters. Add tags and choose a playlist to improve discoverability. Use subtitles and cards to increase watch time. Upload an SRT file if you have one. Once done, preview the thumbnail and play the first 30 seconds to confirm pacing and audio before moving to visibility choices. Finish by selecting visibility, publish now, schedule for peak hours, or set unlisted for private review because timing affects views. Enable monetization or captions, add end screens, and check community settings so comments and age restrictions are correct. After you publish, monitor analytics for the first 24-48 hours to see retention. If processing stalls, re-export the file at H264. For copyright claims, review disputed content, and use
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.